Alright, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the Golpo AI to create fantastic whiteboard animations like this.
That big dream on the horizon, it can feel impossibly far away, like a distant mountain peak lost in the clouds. The sheer scale of it can be paralyzing. We look at the summit and forget the journey begins not with a giant leap, but with a single, simple step. It's about tying your laces, taking that first breath, planting one foot in front of the other. Each step doesn't feel like much. Some days, the path might even wind backwards, but they add up. That single step becomes a trail. That trail becomes a climb. Before you know it, you're looking back not at how far you have to go, but at the incredible distance you already traveled. Those small, consistent efforts have built your foundation, brick by brick. Your dream isn't just a destination, it's the path you create, one deliberate step at a time. So what's your first step today?
So this was completely created using Golpo AI and you can access it by coming to golpo.ai in here, video.golpoai.com. I'll put this link in the description, and then once you're here you can see it's an AI powered creation tool, text to video AI platform. You can transform documents and prompts into professional whiteboard explainer videos like the one we've just played in minutes. So the no code AI video generator for training and marketing and education stuff. So we can come all the way in here to say start for free. You can use any of your Google accounts to log in. I'm going to use one of mine to just log in for this tutorial. So once you logged in, you'll be welcome to this very platform. Now this is where you can watch the tutorial. By default, you'll be given 1000 credits, and I think 1000 is enough for you to create one video that is maybe 1 minute long with the whiteboard. So you can watch tutorials in here from different aspects if you are interested, which I'm going to show you the basics in here. So the next thing is, this is the prompting area. This is where you can paste in your prompt that you're going to generate from here. Now you have the option to add a guide in form of images or documents. If you have any PDF document, you can upload it, or if you have any images, you can equally upload it to serve as your main guide to what it is going to create, so it can give a direction to the AI. Now in here you have the earlier Golpo 2.0. This is the canvas. You can check the preview of what it is going to generate for you. This is pen with whiteboard and the marker whiteboard, stylus whiteboard, and so on. You can see these samples in here. You can select any of them to at least have a preview.
Being a good person isn't about perfection, it's about patterns. Aim for 3 things: good intentions, real impact, and steady character. Treat people as valuable, even when it's inconvenient. Listen before reacting, keep small promises. When you cause harm, own it, apologize clearly, and change behavior. Be kind, but keep boundaries. Question your biases. Under pressure, choose the least harmful option. Do this consistently, and your presence will make life better.
So this is just an example. You can see a different type in terms of editorial, chalkboard, color, whiteboard, and so on, depending on your choice. You can be as specific as you want in the description that you're going to give in here. For this, we're going to use the Golpo sketch, which you can preview in here to have an understanding also of the kind of the formal style. You have classic style and improved beta style, so depending on your choice as well. So let's say we're going with this, and then we're going to paste in our prompts. I have some prompts, some basic prompts in here. The one that you just watched is this. I've created it using this prompt. Create a 1 minute whiteboard animation video in this ratio 16:9 and with the simple black and white drawings. Okay, so that was why you saw it in black and white on a white background. Okay, and smooth hand-drawn sketch animation. So titles should be small steps, big dreams, and then its style is going to be whiteboard animation, clean line drawings, and so on. And then in here you have the narration style to be warm, motivational, inspiring, simple English, suitable for all audiences. Now we're going to do another video with this second prompt, which is prompt 2. I'm going to put in all the prompts that we have in here. So the power of one more try, that is the title of the video. and it's going to be a whiteboard with this 16:9 aspect ratio using a clean white background and hand-drawn black marker illustration. So the animation should look like a hand drawing, the scenes step by step and so on. So this is the detail. So we're going to copy this prompt. So we're going to go ahead and go back to Golpo AI and paste in our prompt in here. Okay, so this is the prompt. If you like I said, you can add different kind of images and documents in here. Let's go with this submission, and then we can come down here. This is where you can define the music type. You can make it hyper, inspirational. Let's go with inspirational. You can even listen to the music. Duration, let's go with 1 minute, and then the voice, let's go with male voice. Right, and then the orientation, we can say horizontal or vertical depending. Okay, so language, we'll go with English, and then style, we'll go with classic. If you want to preview also, you can preview. And then the pacing, you can make it fast or normal. So let's make it normal in here. Okay, so you have to be a paid user for you to be able to upload a logo for the video. So once you have everything, the basic information inputted in here, you can just come down here and just click on create a video, and it's going to just ask you, do you want to make the video public on the Golpo public library? I can say yes to this, and then we can say continue. So this is going to take an average estimated 10 to 15 minutes before the video is ready, and once it is ready, it's going to pop up in here that the video is ready, and it's going to pop in your email address as well that the video is ready. So you can just go ahead and click. You can watch it in your library, or you can watch it independently directly. So for this case, let's just give this some seconds and let's see whether our video is going to be created, and then we can play it to have an experience of it. Alright, so the video had just been created, so let's just play to have a preview of what we have.
Ever felt like you've hit a wall? That moment when throwing in the towel feels like the only option left? We've all been there. Success seems miles away, and every fiber of your being just wants to stop. But what if you didn't? What if, in that moment of doubt, you found the strength for just one more try? It's not about a giant leap. It's about a single extra step. That tiny spark of courage, that small decision to push forward, is where the magic happens. That one more try is what separates good from great. It's where resilience is built and breakthroughs are discovered. It's the moment a dim dream suddenly ignites with possibility. So next time exhaustion sets in and quitting feels easy, remember the power you hold. You always have one more try in you, and that one try can change absolutely everything.
Yeah, this is wonderful. My only concern is that it doesn't use the complete white background as we have selected. But I think you can go ahead and edit this if you're interested. But this is just an idea into what you can actually create with this. So you can go ahead, explore it. It's a very wonderful software. Let's check out the pricing and let's see what you can do for free. You can start for free and you can generate only one time. Okay, you can generate up to 1 minute of video, and then you can have the starter, creator, and growth part. Okay, so depending, just go through it and see which one you are going to go with. If you subscribe for the yearly, you're going to get about 20% discount. So you can check the link in the description and you can try this on your own. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the Golpo AI to create some whiteboard animation videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.